Daniela, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be filming a what's on my phone. So before we get into the actual apps and everything, I wanted to show you guys my wallpapers because I have a few. Because if you didn't know, with the new update you can basically create different wallpapers and have them all like in your phone, and then you can switch whenever you want to. And I just think it's so fun. So I created this one not long ago because my favorite color is purple, so I wanted to have like something purple. So I decided, I got this picture from Pinterest which basically has like these purple planets and everything, which I like. I just love how it looks. And then I have this one with the Weekend album, and I made the time red too because I just really love how it looks. Then I have this wallpaper, which is basically just a collage with photos with my friends and everything. I just think it looks so cool. And then the last one I have is this one, which is basically just a black and white photo, and I really like how it looks because the time and everything, it just looks so clear. And I don't know, I just really like it. And also, if you guys didn't know, you can also customize. So basically you can change everything. You can change the font, the color of the numbers. I think I had this one, and you can just make it however you want it to look. And yeah, you can just do whatever you want, but I just have this white one just to make it all black and white. I just really like how it looks. And I also have these two widgets. One of them is like the weather widget, and the other one is the battery widget. So sometimes it shows my watch battery, sometimes it shows my AirPod battery, and sometimes it shows the battery I have left on my phone. And yeah, that's it. And then on top I have the date. And that's it. So now let's get into the apps. Okay, so when we turn the phone on, this is what we see. So first off, the wallpaper. I just really love how it looks. It's this like blurry heart wallpaper, and I just really like it because I like having wallpapers that are like, make it easy to understand the apps and everything. I just love how everything is just so clear, so understandable. And on top I have this widget which just says the day, because I always forget what day it is, so I just have it up there. And it's this gray color. I don't really know why I made it gray, but I like how it looks. And then I also have this Be Real widget, which I'm going to tell you what Be Real is later, just in case you don't know. So when we get to that app, I'm going to show you guys. And then on the bottom, we have 4 apps. We have Photos, Camera, Settings, and Phone. Just the 4 most basic apps. And then we also have TikTok, which I guess all of you guys know what TikTok is. Yeah, I also have TikTok. I love watching TikTok. It's probably the app I most spend my time on. And yeah, if you guys want to go follow me, this is my account. I haven't been posting a lot lately, but I am going to be starting to post a lot. So just make sure to follow me so that you don't miss anything. And yeah, I just love filming almost everything. Like, I love filming dances, different trends and everything. I just do a little bit of everything, so you guys can totally go check it out. Then I also have clock, which unfortunately I only use it for the alarm. For example, tomorrow morning I'll have to wake up at 6:50 because I have school at 8. And yeah, and well, I guess sometimes I also use the timer and stopwatch and everything, but what I most use from here is the alarm. Then I have Instagram, and you guys can also go follow me on Instagram. This is my account, and I am going to be posting a lot. I am thinking I'm posting loads of stories, reels, posts, and everything, so please go check it out. Then I have Pinterest. Pinterest is an app I don't post on because I know many people like create loads of boards and everything. I don't do that. I just use Pinterest like for inspiration. For example, when I want to decorate my room, change something in my room, I always like check out stuff on Pinterest. I also like to, for example, find new wallpapers on here because they're just really cool wallpapers on Pinterest. And just different stuff, inspiration for things. Maybe I want to draw something, whatever. I just look at stuff on Pinterest. And for example, whenever I want to do my nails, I also look at inspiration on Pinterest. So yeah, I use it basically for everything. Then I have YouTube. YouTube, I guess everyone knows what YouTube is, probably because you're watching me on YouTube right now. Then I have Zenly. Zenly is a really cool app. I have But the problem is, well, I'm gonna explain what it is about. Basically, you can add all of your friends and it's like Snap Map, but I think Zenly is a lot cooler. You can add your friends, you can basically see where they are, you can just see how many battery they have left and just a lot of different things. And it just has really cool features and everything, but the problem is that it shut down 10 days ago. So yeah, they just said, that's it. Now if you want to see what your friends are up to, you have to go and use Snap Map. So yeah, it's really sad, and I haven't deleted the app basically because I've had it since I think like about 3-4 years ago, and it's really sad to delete it, but it doesn't do anything anymore, so I just have it there. And then I have Apple Music. Yeah, just Apple Music. I did use Spotify before, but I decided I wanted to try Apple Music out and I've really been liking it. So yeah, that's that. And then I have WhatsApp, which is basically like a messenger, but I don't use it that much. I use it mostly like to speak with my parents and stuff, but yeah, I don't use it that much, but I still have it there, so just in case. And then I have Safari. I think all of you guys know what Safari is. And then I have Telegram, which is another messenger, but I use it with my friends from Russia, because here in Spain, because I live in Spain, people don't really use it that much, but I still have it just in case I want to like chat with some of my friends. So now we're going on to the next page, and here I think it's all like a little bit messed up. I really haven't organized this page, but basically I have two widgets. The first one is this drawing one of my friends made for me. It just brings really good memories and everything, so I just have it there. I think since last summer maybe, but I just really like it, so it stays there. And then at the bottom I have this widget, which is from an app called Locket. Right now it's just a photo in black, but I'm gonna explain it. So the apps I have, the very first one is Brawl Stars. I've been playing it almost like for 2 years, I think. Then I also have Snapchat, and you guys are probably wondering why I have to update it, and it's basically because I live in Spain and people here don't use Snapchat at all. It's not like in the US or in London, England, Great Britain. Like, people use it a lot there, like to chat and everything, but here we don't use it. We use it, I mean, sometimes maybe for some filter or something, but we already have Instagram for that, so it doesn't really make sense. So yeah, I just have the app there, but I don't use it at all. Then I have Calendar. Then I have a folder called Daily, which basically has 3 apps. The first one is Weather, then we have Notes and Mail. So Weather, I mean, I use it sometimes, but because I already have the weather on my lock screen, I don't really use the app. I just see the weather on my lock screen and that's it. And then I have Notes. Notes is an app I do use a lot because I tend to forget a lot of stuff, so I just write down everything in Notes. And then I have Mail, which I have to check because I have a lot of things I haven't read yet. But yeah, those are the 3 apps I have here, even though the one I most use is Notes. Then I have another folder called Extra, which basically has a lot of extra apps I don't use. So the first one is Numbers, then we have Keynote, Apple Store, Reminders, Home, Watch, and Fitness. The only one I use from here sometimes is Watch, because I like to change my faces on here. So yeah, the one I'm using right now is this one, which just looks so cool. It's called Playtime. It's just really fun because you can like click on the numbers and it just, you have to try it out because it's really fun. So if you have the watch, you can try it. And by the way, the watch I use, I think it's the Series 4, and they're already on the 8th one, but I use the 4th, and it works perfectly. So yeah, I'm really happy with my watch. And then also we have Contacts, iTunes Store, Find My, and Files. From here, the only thing I use sometimes is Find My to find like devices, like I don't know, maybe my watch, my AirPods, just in case I lose them. It says where they are, it shows you their location, so I think it's pretty useful. And you can also add your friends, but it's not the same. Like, I had Zenly and I enjoyed it a lot more than this app. Then we have another folder called stores. And the thing is that, I do have some stores here. I have Bershka, Nike, Zara, and Shein. The one I most use here is probably Nike. Then I have another folder called school. School, I have calculator, photomath, and translate. Calculator, I think everyone knows what calculator is. Then we have photomath. Photomath is an amazing app. I really love this app because whenever you have to solve any math problem and you don't know how to do it, you can basically just take a photo of your problem and then it just says how you can solve it. Like, it gives you all the steps and everything, and I just think it's so amazing. But the only problem is that recently, whenever I try to do anything, it says our system is experiencing issues, please try again later, and it's been like this for 2 weeks. So during the last 2 weeks I couldn't use this app, but I still have it here just in case they fix it someday. But it's really useful. I really liked it because it shows you how you can solve problems. It doesn't just give you the answers, so it's a really cool app. Then I also have Translate, which is just a translator that came with the new update, I think, or with the other update, I'm not really sure, but it's from Apple, and I don't really use translators a lot, but just in case, like, I have it here. Then I have Widgetsmith. Widgetsmith is the app with the help of which you can create widgets. So basically you choose the size, and then you can just add photos, and then you can add them onto your home screen. And then I also have another folder which is called also extra, which also has a lot of apps I don't use. I think the only thing from here I use is maps, because we have stocks, Apple TV, shortcuts, compass, measure, wallet, maps, and health. So yeah, from here I just use maps sometimes, rarely, and I don't really know why I didn't add everything onto the same folder, and that's it, but whatever. Then I have Shazam. Shazam is an amazing app. I think it's like one of the most useful apps ever, because when you're listening to a song, like when you're in the car, whatever, you're just listening to a song and you don't know what song it is, but you want to know, you can just click here, you can Shazam it, and it says what song it is. So I think it's really useful, especially for us people who really love listening to music. So yeah, it just says what song you're listening to. Then I have Spotify, which I don't use anymore, as I told you before. Now I use Apple Music, but I just have it there because I used it before. Yeah. So then I have Google Earth. You have the whole planet here to explore. You can literally go onto whatever point on Earth, and you can go on places you've never seen before, and yeah, you can just explore. So yeah, we have a pool here in the middle of the ocean, but yeah, it's just really fun, so try it out. Then I have Locket. So Locket is basically an app where you can add all of your friends, and whenever you want to, you can take a photo and then it just shows here. So for example, I have some of my friends on here, so they just take photos, they all the app collects them all, and the last photo is shown like on the Locket widget, so it's down there. And then I have an app called Vkontakte, which is basically social media. It's more Russian, like it's people in Russia use it a lot. I don't really know if a lot of people use it around the world, but in Russia it's like a really well-known app, and it's just like a combination of Instagram and Facebook. So yeah, I just have it. I don't post anything on there, but I have it just to see what my friends post sometimes, and that's it. Then I have App Store, and I have Yandex Music, which is basically because I have a station which is like Alexa, but it's called Alisa, and it's Russian, and it belongs to Yandex, and they have this app called Yandex Music. So whenever you want to play music or anything, you just choose it here, or you can ask her to play it, but I usually play it from here because I choose the music here. So on this third page, the first thing you're gonna see is an app called Note It, and next to it we have a widget, which basically this app is kind of like Locket, but instead I think you can add only one friend, and instead of only being able to post photos, you can also post like different notes, drawings, and everything, which is so cool, I think. And yeah, that's why I have this photo. Then the next app is called Yandex, which is what I told you before. It's like Chrome basically, but Russian. Then I have Freeform, which is an app that came with a new update. I don't really know how to use it, and I just have it there just in case. So yeah, it's kind of fun, I guess, and you can draw some really cool stuff on here, I think. But yeah, I really haven't tried it that much. I just tried it out, I think, once. Then the next app is called Who, and this is like Zenly, but the new version. So this is exactly the same thing with the same features, but it's a new app that does work. So I think I really prefer this instead of SnapMap. I don't really know why, I just don't really like Snapchat in general. And I think this app is a lot better to see your friend's location and everything. You can just stalk them a little bit. Then I have Photomath again for some reason. I don't really know why, because I already have it in this folder. But yeah, it's just there again. Then I have BeReal. So BeReal is like a social media app, which is so fun, I think, because everyone gets random notification throughout the day, but everyone gets it at the same time. So sometimes you can get it during nighttime, sometimes you can get it during the day. And basically the thing is that everyone has to post something within 2 minutes. And you can just take a photo and it takes it from the front camera and the back camera. And yeah, and the cool thing about this is that you can only see other people's BeReals if you posted yours. So it basically makes everyone post so that it makes sense, because if you don't post, you can't see what other people post. So yeah, then I have Discord, and then I have this app called 433 Football, which basically has like all of the news about football and everything. And then I have CapCut, which is a really cool app to edit videos. And I don't edit YouTube videos on here. I think it's just really easy to use. So yeah, just in case you ever want to edit something for TikTok or whatever, maybe for YouTube too, but I've been using it for TikTok, then I think CapCut is a really good app for that. Guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had